back here with another video. Today's video was sponsored by UNice hair again, because the first time I messed the wig up. But we're not gonna talk about that. Today I have this pretty ombre wig. It's not black and brown. It's like a really dark brown with a light brown type situation going on. And we're gonna get into this whole, we're gonna get into this in a minute. In a minute. The density of this wig is 150. So it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's kind of just perfect for me in my opinion. It's a 16-inch hair, but I think it's really nice. I think the 16-inch kind of fits me, so I'm okay with that. If you're not okay with that, then it's not gonna be it for you, sweetie. But you do have an option to get it longer, so you could go ahead and do it however you want. That's your business. Okay, that's your business. That's none of mine, okay? Let's get into it. The total of this wig was $118.70 without shipping and without taxes. With taxes, it was $121, I think. For me to be exact, I'll just go ahead and put it up right next to me if that is the case. When I had purchased the wig, it took a week and a half to get here. I think everything is taking a little bit longer than usual because of Corona. It'll vary where you are, but if a week and a half is too long for you, then maybe it ain't for you right now. You will have other chances, but maybe right now it's not for you if you are going to be impatient. Okay, when I had first took the wig out of the package, the wig was really soft. It felt really good. And this, by the way, if I have not mentioned, is a human hair wig. It is not synthetic, it is human. It felt really good. It smelt good. It smelled like somebody had like put mousse on it. I don't want y'all to think y'all finna get y'all wig and it got mousse in it. No, it just smelled really good. So I don't know if that's a bad thing. If you like that, if you feel like maybe that makes you feel like your wig is used, honey, then it makes you feel like your wig is used, and don't get the wig. The lace. Let's get into that. So how a regular lace is kind of see-through and you have to put the color on it and dye it, whatever you do, because once again, that is your business. Once again, that's your business. So whatever you do with your lace, that's your business. So it's kind of see-through and it has this little patch, this little rug, this little welcome in rug, the take your shoes off before you get in my house rug. I don't understand. Okay, I guess it's supposed to be like to help your scalp look a little bit more natural, or to make the wig look like a scalp, and it doesn't, it looks stupid. It's like a weird cutoff point on the hairline. It's not cute. Who came up with that? But they could have paid it. They could have paid it. They could have kept that. Okay, if you created that, you could have kept that, because everybody else is thinking it and I'm thinking it. I'm gonna say it. I just have to let you know you could have kept that. Like a regular 13x6, this is a 4x4, so you don't have too much space to put. If you were to put edges, or if you wanted to put whatever you wanted to put on there, you don't have that space. It does look weird without putting the stuff on there. So if this looks weird, it looks way more crazier without putting the edges and stuff on it. That's just my opinion. One tiny little problem that I noticed was the highlights. It's not blending. It's not like a blending highlight as it should be. It's like a real blunt highlight. Don't know what's going on here. I didn't really have any other complaints. It was kind of hard to flat iron it. I used a flat iron to curl my hair. I did this. I haven't curled my hair in like 3 to 4 years with a flat iron. I don't have a curler, so we're not gonna get into none of this. But the first 2 times I tried to just put the wig on and flat iron it, it didn't want to do what it was supposed to do. It didn't want to listen. It wasn't flat. It was still a little bit more bulky, like it was fresh out the pack, and I didn't like that. But other than that, the wig is pretty much easy to deal with and it's cute. I think it's better if you customize it. I think it's better if you flat iron it. I think like fresh out the pack wearing it, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. This is no shade. I like the wig, but this was one of those low, like, it was really the lace for me. It was really the lace for me, sweetie. Not for a human hair. It was really the lace for me. But hopefully you guys like it. Go ahead and get a better look if you go on a website, and you might be able to work it. Like I say, if it doesn't look good on me, it's gonna look good on you, because we ain't the same. You is you, me is me, okay? So it's gonna look good on you if it don't look good on me. And until the next video, I will see you guys later.